Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 28. Get ready for the education. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, the discussion on the wheat policy today, I think, is a discussion on a subject which is of paramount national importance. Stop. The food crisis or the mismanagement of the food economy during the last few years has created a situation which threatens a serious law and order problem in various parts of the country. Stop. At best, we can say that the giving up of that policy has been a very short sighted step, or at worst, we can describe it as a panicky capitulation to the propaganda barrage of vested interests and reactionary elements in this country. Stop. The Agriculture Ministry fixed a target of 8 million tons of procurement of wheat. Stop. It was a unrealistic target that was fixed. Stop. It was a target which was fixed on the assumption that rupees 50 crores which were provided for the crash Rabi program would be utilized properly, and the shortfall of 15 million tons in food grains that year would be more than made good in the Rabi program. Stop. But the report of the CAG has now revealed that the Agriculture Ministry and various agencies in the state governments who were provided these funds, misspent them and misappropriated them and did not utilize these funds for increasing agricultural products under the special Rabi crash program. Stop. In fact, the money that should have been used for increasing agricultural products was used in some states for such activities like purchase of luxury motor cars. Stop. Therefore, I say it was a wrong and artificial and unrealistic target. Stop. Secondly, from the very beginning, those who were in charge of administration of this policy had no heart in it. Stop. A commission had been set up under the chairmanship of a member of the Planning Commission to study how to implement the scheme of takeover of the wholesale trade in wheat. Stop. The commission made 17 suggestions as to how to make the scheme a success. Stop. 15 out of the 17 suggestions were not implemented at all by the government. Stop. The commission had also indicated that it would be appropriate to give a remunerative price to the farmers at the time of acute scarcity. Stop.